Being seen shouldn't feel dangerous anymore. I want to take a moment to talk openly as a transgender woman, because a lot of people still misunderstand what that means. There's no one way to be trans. There's no right look, no checklist, no mode. Every transgender person shows up differently, and none of us deserves to be policed for that. But what we've seen right now is this disturbing pattern. Public leaders and government officials attacking transgender and LGBTQ people louder than ever. They're passing laws, spreading fear, using our existence as a talking point. And here's the part nobody wants to say out loud. Some of those same people are privately involved with our community. Behind closed doors, they seek us out. And behind NDAs and silence, they're protected. In private, they want us. In public, they punish us. And that's why visibility matters so much. Because the issue has never been who we are. It's how uncomfortable authenticity makes people who refuse to face their own truth. Living as a transgender woman hasn't been about attention or rebellion. I didn't choose this path because it was easy. I chose it because hiding was destroying me. And someone watching this knows exactly what that feels like. Living half a life because the full version of you feels unsafe. I want you to hear this clearly. You deserve to exist without apologizing. You deserve to be seen without fear. You deserve a world where your identity isn't a debate. The more they try to erase us, the more important our voices become, because somebody out there needs to see a transgender person living openly, speaking boldly, and existing without shame. Someone needs to know they're not alone in this. If this message is resonating with you and you want to continue these conversations with me or deepen your own healing, you can visit overcomebetrayal.com. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'm not done talking about this, not even close.